Which is better, ChatGPT projects or custom GPTs? Most people don't know the differences. If you're using ChatGPT and wondering which one can save you time, help you build smarter, or grow your business, this video is for you. Let's break it down simply and clearly. I'm Mohammed from BAITACH, and we help you use AI, automation, and cybersecurity to save time, learn faster, and grow your business. Let's start with custom GPTs. A custom GPT is like building your own smart assistant. You give it a name, upload documents, set rules, and define exactly how it should behave. It's perfect for one clear job, like handling customer questions, automating internal support, or teaching your content. Once it's set up, it just runs, no need to keep tweaking unless you need to make upgrade or changes. Now, ChatGPT projects are different. Projects are for ongoing work, multi-step goals that take time. When you start a project, ChatGPT remembers your goals, your files, your preferences, and builds with you across multiple sessions. It's like having an AI teammate that collaborates, not just answers. So here is the differences. Custom GPTs are like tools. You build them once and let them do the job. Projects are like workspaces where you think, plan, and evolve ideas with ChatGPT. Use custom GPTs when you need consistency and repeatable tasks. Use projects when you're building something complex, a website, a course, a business plan. Here is how we use both at BAITACH. We use the projects to brainstorm, develop automations, and plan social media content. Then once it's published, we turn these ideas into custom GPTs. It's a powerful combo. Start in a project, build something great, then turn it into a GPT that saves time and make money. Still not sure which one to use? Drop your use case in the comments and I will help you figure it out. And if you want help building a custom AI assistant for your business, visit baitach.ca. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI, automation, and cybersecurity tips. See you in the next one.